Welcome guys, welcome back to your channel Vastranand. In today's video, the sari that I'm going to show you is very gorgeous. It is going to be patola sari. The fabric is very soft. Look at this. The fabric is going to be very soft, and also Vastranand deals in both wholesale and retail orders, nationally and internationally both. So well, this is the main information that I had to cover, and now let us come to the amazing part, which is showing you the saris. So let us begin with the very first color option that we have in this catalog. You are going to love it. Look at this. This is the green and pink and yellow and blue and white. Oh my god, beautiful colors. I'll just come a little closer. Look at the design. This is the design you'll find on the border. It is very pretty. The design is very pretty, and this is the patola detailing that you're going to find on your sari. Lovely multicolors. The shine of the golden zari throughout is very pretty. Now let me just open this up and show it to you. Here comes your pallu, very rich pallu filled with zari work. Again, I feel it is not clearly visible, so again I'll come little close. Look at this. This is going to be your pallu design filled with zari work, and at the end you'll find green tassels like this. This is the main body of your sari. Look at this. The fabric, guys, is going to be softy. Now the name itself suggests how soft and flowy this is going to be. Okay. And then with this, you're going to get green material over here for your blouse. Again, this is also going to be filled with golden zari work. Okay, so this is the first color. Second color, let me show the one that I am wearing. It is going to be blue and green, and on top you'll find use of pink, use of yellow, use of white. So very nice one. Let me show you the along with the pallu. This is going to be the look along with this pallu. Isn't this pretty? Now, let me show you the third color option that we have in this design. Here with mustard yellow and purple wine kind of a shade. Let's just open this one up. Okay, so this is going to be your wine color pallu. And this is the main body. Again, the colors of this one is also very nice. You know, you're going to find light blue, you're going to find green, you're going to find wine color on this mustard yellow. Looks very pretty. Very affordable rates, guys. If you want to know the rates, the price of this sari, all you have to do is download the application, which is Vastranand. Works for both iOS and Android. Download it, and there you'll get to know the price of not only this, but of all the saris, and there you can place your orders as well. Also, apart from that, if you want to place bulk orders for your wholesale business, be it 25, 50, 100, 150, 200, you can place your orders through the phone call. The contact number is on your screen. Just give us a call, message us, WhatsApp us, and we'll be there for you. So this is the third color combination that I'm showing to you, and then here is going to be your blouse material in wine color, matching your pallu. So here we have the fourth color, which is the last color of this catalog. It is going to be this red with blue. Let's open it. Also, guys, we try to dispatch your orders very soon. So if you have, placed your orders, if it's a single sari order, we dispatch it and it reaches up to you within 7 to 10 days. And if it's a wholesale order, we try to dispatch it within 24 hours and it reaches to you very quickly. So here is going to be your pallu, your red color pallu. And then this is the main body. Again, this color combination is also very smart, unique colors. And on top of this also you'll find yellow, green throughout. Fabric, which is quite new to me, which is softy, very fluid, very soft. Once you drape it, it looks very pretty. So here is your blouse material that you get along with this sari. And that I was talking about draping. Look at this. I've draped, it sits so beautifully. Also, this is not just one video, guys. Our entire Vastranand family already knows that on our channel, right here, subscribe and you can see all the videos of all our lovely stunning saris. So do subscribe, like and share, and check out all our videos and share your love. Till then, this is me Rachna, and bye-bye from Vastranand.